If you're watching this, you more than likely have struggled with fibroids for a while now. You may have, went through having surgery. You may have maybe tried some holistic remedies, and maybe you felt better for a little bit, but then those old symptoms came creeping back in again. And you're not really seeing any results when it comes to moving the needle, and eliminating the fibroids. And fibroids just are like a constant in your life, and you're ready to let go of them for good, okay? I have an amazing 3-day workshop, okay, coming up next week for women that are ready to be fibroid free, to shrink or eliminate their fibroids before 2025, okay? In case you don't know, 2025 is around the corner, okay? Literally in 2 months and some change. And I have an amazing workshop called Shrink Fibroids Before 2025. And it's a three-day workshop next week, October 29th through the 30th. October 29th through the 31st. It's a 3-day workshop. I know you were thinking Halloween, but just hold on. Okay, it is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna be on Zoom every single night. I'm gonna be teaching you ladies, we're gonna be going through the root causes, the emotional and physical root causes, but we're also I'm gonna give you a holistic protocol on how to get rid of fibroids and how to not waste time on all of these other remedies, a protocol that's gonna target your fibroids, okay? So everybody that registers for the workshop will have access to the replays. Just in case you're going out for Halloween, just in case you have to miss a night for whatever reason, you will have access to the replays, okay? Also, too, we'll have Q&A session on the end of every night, and it's gonna be an amazing space for you to be with women who also share with women who also are going through the same thing that you're going through. Because I know with fibroids, a lot of times the symptoms and just what you're going through can come with a lot of shame. But guess what? Again, you're gonna be in a room in a safe space with women who are going through the same thing that you're going through, okay? So I'm really excited for this workshop. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. The workshop is only $200 for 3 whole days, okay? You're with me for 3 whole days, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. The price does go up tomorrow, Friday at midnight, okay? So if you have not registered yet, I want you to click the link in my bio. I want you to run to register, and also tell a friend that's also been struggling with fibroids. This is for women to get clarity on their fibroid journey and be able to see a massive results and eventually be able to shrink and get rid of their fibroid, okay? So I'm really excited. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. We have some amazing women who've already registered, and yeah, if you haven't registered yet, click the link in my bio and go ahead and register. Again, register before the price goes up now, tomorrow at midnight, all right? Bye, ladies.